Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn to Code. In this video series we will implement React CRUD application with Redux Toolkit and Axios and backend API as well. Before that, if you are not aware much about React basic things, I will recommend you to watch my previous video where I created a CRUD application only without backend API, where we are storing data in local storage. That is to clear all the most of the React concepts. Once you are confident with that concept, then I will recommend you to continue with this video. You will get a link for that in the description. Let's see what is the purpose of application. So in this application we will learn like all the things React: create, read, update and delete. Here we are using a backend API. For that, JSON Server we are using, which provide a fake REST API, and also Redux Toolkit for as a state container. Here also we are not using any UI component library, so all the HTML we are writing everything. Let's see what we are focusing to implement. So I have deployed this application on 5000 port. You will see here we have a nice header, then navigation bar. The navigation bar we have two links, dashboard and add user. From add user I can add the user. Let's add one dummy @gmail.com and click on create. One message like user created. You will see we are on localhost 5000, add URL. So we are using React router for routing. Okay, once I go on dashboard, you will see the URL is changed. You can see here the added user is shown on the dashboard. We can also view the details of the user. We can edit the user, observe the URL. Okay, let me update the name dummy1 and updated. User is updated. Again go back to dashboard. Here you will see dummy1. Okay, we can delete the user as well. Again the JSON server fake REST API we have deployed on localhost 4000. So once I as a user, not as a employee. So here you will see the data. Let me update this record. Edit. I am removing the test and click on the update button. Okay, user is updated. Let's refresh it. Nice. The user data is also updated in the this data record. So again, some small changes we are going to implement, like once I click on here and press on the create button, one message is showing. Also I added something like dummy @gmail.com. After create, we are clearing the fields. This is while adding the user, but while updating it we are not clearing the fields. Okay, so these are the small things we can focus while implementing this CRUD application. Let's jump to the let's see what we are what you will learn from this application. So here we will use functional components, then React router, some hooks like use state, use effect, use rep, then JSON server for fake REST API, Redux for state management as a state container, toast for the messages, like you see the messages user created, user updated. We are using toast for that. and axios for calling the API. So we are communicating to the fake API with axios. Let's get started in the next video. Let's get started creating application from the next video. You can like the video and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks.